Hey guys, how you going? Today we have a nice bright little B here for you. We've got an EK9 Type R in sunshine yellow. So yeah, we think it's the only one for sale at the moment worldwide. We just got this in recently, so it's a brand new, fresh to our stock. So yeah, we thought we'll give you a little tour today, show you around the car, and see what it's all about. So yeah, let's have a look. So coming to the front here, very standard Civic. To give you a backstory to these cars, so obviously these are just based off your regular three-door EK Civic. So these were built from 97 to 2001, I think. This is a 2000, so it's one of the later model cars. But yeah, nothing at the front really too different. Only thing that's really specific to the Type R is sort of the shadow chromed backing on the headlights, and the front bar is slightly different. We've got these little slaps in the grille here. The most noticeable thing is the red Honda badge. So it's got the red backing to signify that it's a Type R. But yeah, this car in general is like a really nice example. The paint's pretty nice. It's well preserved, considering that these cars were meant to be used and abused. It's pretty cool to see one in such a great condition. But yeah, just to give you a quick look over it. So if we come to the side, once again you got the classic white 16-inch Type R wheels, which are very retro looking these days, and this oversized Civic Type R badge, so you can let everyone know what you have in case they think it's just a normal Civic. Also, the tail lights are a different style to a regular Civic. Normal Civics have usually got like a different sort of pattern in them, whereas these are just nice and smooth, which makes it look a bit more upscale. The rear bar as well also hangs down, has this sort of lower pod section, which gives it a more aggressive look, adding to the Type R sort of thing. The most noticeable Type R thing as well in the rear is this decently sized wing, which it's actually nice. It's subtle, but it's still out there, gives the car a bit more presence. But overall, yeah, the exterior is like, if this was in a normal color, say white or black, you'd sort of have to know what you're looking at, but this color sort of says it all, and it's Type R specific as well. Didn't come out in any other model Civic or anything like that. But yeah, we'll go out and see what's under the engine bay. All right, so here we got the engine bay. Pretty basic stuff. You've got a naturally aspirated four-cylinder motor, 1.6 liters of displacement, so quite small for a four-cylinder. So this car in particular is relatively standard. It's got headers and a full exhaust all the way back. That's aftermarket. And it's got this pod filter over here, which is quite funny looking. For those that know. But everything else is factory. This strut brace here, the wrinkle red strut brace, is a factory Type R touch. The wrinkle red rocker cover as well, also a Type R factory. But yeah, these don't really push out a big amount of power. These make 180 horsepower from factory, so yeah, not that big or strong of a motor, but very high revving and very over-engineered. These were built and made in the thought process of getting absolutely bashed all the time. So they take some abuse, and with a rev limiter of 8,400 RPM, it sings. So yeah, pretty unique motor, and not something you really see these days in modern cars. These high revving, naturally aspirated motors anymore. So yeah. Alright, so we've got the inside of the Civic Type R. So main changes for the Type R: seats, bright red Recaros, which are absolutely beautiful. I love these seats. One of my favorite seats. The Momo steering wheel, which was a classic 90s touch back then. Every car had a Momo steering wheel. This has got the nice Honda airbag with the red Honda badge. The cluster is different. You got the sort of fake carbon surround around the gauge instruments, and your nice little high limiter to tell you when to change gears, which is at like 8,500. And the carbon fascia here with the Type R badging, as well as the aluminium gear knob, which is also classic Type R, red stitching on the surround, and the biggest thing, the most noticeable thing, is the red carpets. So all throughout the bottom is all red carpet, and you also got the nice little red cloth trim on the doors as well. So yeah, subtle little touches. It's still an EK Civic from the 90s, so it's still plastic everywhere and still very, bare bones. But it's got its sort of spruced up parts to differentiate it and make it feel somewhat special. And this particular car is honestly pretty clean for the age. I mean, considering this is a 25-year-old car now, it's borderline historic, and it's still held up really well, which speaks to Honda as well in their build quality. But yeah. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please visit our channel, check out all our other videos and all the other cars. And please follow us on Instagram, Facebook, our TikTok as well. We're trying to pump out more content, trying to get you guys more engaged. And yeah, thank you very much. We'll see you next time.